The biggest challenge for every business is to make their digital experience more human. Right now, digital technology is not so much human or not so much human friendly. It might be user friendly, but not human friendly. As humans, we designed to talk, to communicate via language, via natural language, whether it's text or voice. We're not designed or we're not programmed to click links, for example, and click buttons. It's much easier to tell the system what you want, and system does it. And this is our philosophy. This is why we've created Copilot. So you can SMS it and tell it what to do. And obviously, we are expanding Copilot capabilities. And soon Copilot will be able to execute tasks that are not even programmed inside of Copilot. It will be able to write a program on the fly and execute a task, whatever you ask it to. With AI Assistant, we're humanizing client onboarding experience. So we make it really, really simple for your clients and for you to collect their information via natural conversation. We've launched this system recently via SMS. So your clients can send you SMS, or you can be proactive and send them SMS and invite them to provide the information or just answer all of their questions. That creates another human-like experience for your clients where they feel comfortable and they feel right at home. So we're trying to reduce number of links, number of clicks, number of button clicks, and replace it with meaningful human interactions. And this is our goal for the next 12 months. We've already built solid building blocks that we are putting together and creating one of the most powerful and most technologically advanced CRM and client onboarding system on the planet. Now, if you want to know more about Mystro or about technology, or just have a chat about the future of AI and the future of financial services industry, please get in touch with me and I'll see you soon.